Welcome back to Moto Craze. Today we're diving into the latest adventure scooter that's making waves in the urban and off-road scene, the 2025 Honda ADV 160. This refreshed model blends sporty aesthetics with practical functionality, and we're here to break it all down for you. First off, the 2025 ADV 160 gets a sharper, more aggressive design update. It retains its adventure-ready stance, but now looks even bolder with angular lines, a restyled front fascia, and a compact LED headlamp setup that screams modern. The Galaxy White color variant we're looking at really pops, giving the ADV a clean, yet rugged personality. Honda has managed to keep the ADV's dual sport DNA while refining its street appeal, and it shows in every corner of its build. Under the seat, the 2025 ADV 160 packs a refined 156.9 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, four-stroke engine with enhanced ESP Plus technology. It delivers smoother acceleration, reduced friction, and increased fuel efficiency. You can expect around 15.8 horsepower and a top speed close to 115 kilometers per hour, making it ideal for both city commutes and light trail riding. The CVT transmission keeps the ride buttery smooth, whether you're weaving through traffic or climbing a hilly route. Feature-wise, Honda hasn't held back. The ADV 160 comes equipped with Honda's Smart Key system, a fully digital LCD display, ABS for the front disc brake, and a two-step adjustable windscreen. It also boasts improved under-seat storage that can fit a full-face helmet and more. The suspension setup includes Showa telescopic forks up front and twin shocks in the rear, giving it a plush ride even over rough patches. Pricing is another big one here. The 2025 Honda ADV 160 is expected to launch around $4,300 US, making it one of the most feature-rich adventure scooters in its price range. It's affordable, stylish, and capable, a rare combo in today's market. In our opinion, the new ADV 160 is perfect for riders looking for a do-it-all scooter with premium appeal. Whether you're a city commuter or a weekend explorer, this scooter's versatility makes it stand out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Moto Craze for more two-wheel insights. Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.